चक्षुर्मिदं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam to the feet of my spiritual master, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Goswami Maharaj, and my Shiksha Guru and Sannyas Guru Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Gandhi Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Raka Sridhar Goswami, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. Yesterday we also celebrated appearance and disappearance of our Guru Gurudev Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, his appearance day, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj disappearance day. They are the great Acharya in our Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. Gurudev, he is coming from Golok Vrindavan and giving mercy to all the living entities. Krishna is Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told, the Lord Bhagavan, he descended from Golok Vrindavan in this material world and giving mercy to all the living entities. Anugrahaya bhaktanam manusam dehamasitam bhajati tadisya krida jasutva tattva bhavet. Lord, he comes from Golok Vrindavan with his own eternal associates, Nitya Parikar. And he performs sweet Leela and giving mercy to all the living entities. And another way also, Lord, he comes from Golok Vrindavan in this material world to kill the demon. Because demon, asuras, they destroy all the rules and regulation of the society. For this regard, Lord, he kills the enemies, he kills the demons. And simultaneously, Lord, he gives mercy to all the living entities. And especially those who are high class, exalted devotee, and they are hankering to take darshan to Lord, because thousand lives that devotees performing bhajan and sadhan want to take darshan to Lord. For this regard, Lord, He gives darshan to the high class exalted devotee. And He performs sweet lila. In Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Chaitamritam explained, Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Sanghar. Krishna, He comes from Golok Vrindavan to in this material world, and when He comes, and automatically all His incarnation inside Him. So Krishna, He kills the demon. And the Vishnu, the incarnation of Lord inside of Krishna, so that incarnation, Vishnu,
ladies and gentlemen, for
he kills the demon.
Rio de Janeiro, we have
Brajanandan Samsundar Krishna, this is not his duty to kill the demon. Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Sanghar. Inside is Vishnu, incarnation Vishnu avatar. The incarnation killed the demon. And Vrindavan Samsundar, he performs sweet lila. Because Vrindavan Samsundar, he is called Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun. Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun, Prem Ras Nirjas Koit Asadan, Rag Marge Bhakti Lok Korite Prachara. Vrindavan Samsundar, Vrindavan Samsundar, his duty to perform sweet lila with the gopis and especially Ras dance in this way. And another hand, he realises all kinds of rasas from the heart of his devotees. Prem Ras Nirjas Korita Sadan Rag Marge Bhakti Lok Korite Prachara. Prem Ras Nirjas, the essence of Prema. That means Lord Krishna, He relishes Prema Ras Nirjas, the essence of Prema Ras. That is called the highest, the Prema from the heart of the devotee, especially in the heart of Srimati Radhika, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. And in this way, Krishna, He distributes the highest, He releases the all kinds of mellows, rasas from the heart of devotees, and also simultaneously He distributed to everybody. For this regard, our Acharyas explain, Krishna, He manifested in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called in this Gaura avatar. In this incarnation of Gaura avatar. And in this Gaura avatar, incarnation of Gaura, He releases the highest prem from Srimati Radhika, and simultaneously He distributed this prem ras to the others. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised his one hand, and another hand He also distributed. Apani asadi jivere asadira. He releases all kinds of mellow rasas, and He is distributing this prem to others. So, in our Acharyas, they also preaching this highest mode. Because this highest mode distributed. Without the highest mode, no one, without this rule, things, no one can realize what is the best mood of our acharyas. And so they are in transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, the very nearest dearest of Srimati Radhika, and they have come in this material world and performing sweet Janma Lila, and that is called Avirbhav Lila. And in this way, our Acharyas, Guru Vargas, they distributed the best things to all the living entities. Because their life, in their life, two ways. One is called sadhak and another is called siddha. Sadhak dehe kare nam sankirtan. With the sadhak deha, they performing nam sankirtan and teaching all the philosophy to others. And they are siddha deha, transcendental form, and they also remembering sweet pastimes of Krishna and Srimati Radhika. And for this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explains Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena, Chatrahi. Sadhak Rup and Siddha Rup. In Sadhak Rup, they are following all the rules and regulations of the scriptures and perform bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy names, Sankha Purvaka Nama Ganamativi, Kala Vasana Krito, Nidra Har Vihar Gadvijita Chakrandana Chayo, Radha Krishna Punasmitra Madhurina Madhurima Anandina Samahito, Bande Rupa Sanatano, Raghujugo, Shijiva Gopaloko. Srinivasa Acharya in Sargoswami Ashtakam glorified how our 6 Goswamis in their sadhak form perform bhajan and sadhan, and simultaneously they also absorbed in their siddha deha, transcendental form, and served divine Guru Radha and Krishna. For this regard, Krishna Das Kaviraj explained in Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Mane Mane Siddha Deha Kariya Bhavan, Ratri Dine Radha Krishner Karayi Sevan. So day and night they absorb in the transcendental mode and serve to divine couple Radha and Krishna, because this is they are called Siddha Sarup. So Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena, Chatrahi. Braja Loka Anusarata, and they following all the activities of Brijavasis, how Brijavasis, especially Braj Gopis, they absorbed with Krishna and how to serve to Krishna. In the same way, our Acharyas, Guru Vargas, and there are 2 forms, one is Sadhak form, another is called the Siddha form. And Sadhak form, they are chanting holy names and Shankha Purvaka Nama Ganamati in this way. Siddha form is the transcendental form, and they also serve their Ishtadeva, Srimati Radhika, and this way. So our Guru Vargas, in their appearance and disappearance, we have to remember to them and remembering their bhajan and sadhan, and how did they perform bhajan and sadhan in this way. In this contest, our Guru Padma Nathalapatana Vishnu Bharata Bhaktivedanta Sri Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. Mostly he told, very humble, he told, I did not bhajan and sadhan, I want to become Vaishnava, but when I read the slokas, first slokas of Sikshastak, that time I am thinking I will never become Vaishnava. Vaishnava hoite chilo mor sad, tinad vi sunai sloke pade gelo bad. Gurudev he told, I want to become Vaishnava. But when I read third slok of Srimad Shikshastak, third slok of Shikshastak, Trinadavi Suni Cheno Taruva Shrishna Amanina Manadena Kirtanya Sada Amani Manad Trinadavi Sunich, how will become very humble, more than the blade of grass, how will tolerate as like the trees. Amani Manada, how to give the respect to others and will never be hankering for own name, fame, reputation. But when I read this sloka, then I am thinking I would never become a Vaishnava. Vaishnava means you are very humble. Tenadapi Sunich. And Taruva Srishna and very tolerance as like tree. And Omani Mano Deno, and how to give respect to others and never hankering for own name, fame, reputation. Actual Gurudev, Sri Brahmanusri Maharaj, he quoted this verse, ये वैष्णव हुई थी छिलो मोर साथ तेनादेवी सुनी जिस लोग बोलोगे पढ़े गलो बात this is humility daina. He has vast of knowledge, Shastra Gyan, and Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. He established Vedanta Chatuspati. Actual for him, Gurudev told, my Gurudev established the Gaudiya Vedanta Gaudiya Vedanta Samitis Sanskrit Vidyalaya only for me. And so Gurudev was very learned scholar, but still he is saying, I have no knowledge, I have no anything. So how we will serve to Guru and Vaishnavas? Sometimes Guru Vaishnavas, their humility, they know, conditional soul cannot understand. And for this regard, Kanishta Adhikari Vaishnava, they criticize to Vaishnava, and their bhajan sadhana will completely destroy. So my Gurudev, mostly he told, you have to give intense to learn sloka Shastra, because Shastra Gyan. Without Shastra Gyan, knowledge of the scriptures, no one can attain his highest perfection goal. So we say my Gurudev is he was very humble and respected of all the Vaishnavas. My Gurudev's life history and Narad life history is like same. Narad he told to Narad Maharaj, disconnected. Okay.
Finish? I think we have to